This video will walk you through the steps for importing the Enhancing Statistics Teacher's Education with eModules or STEAM materials into your Canvas course. To begin, you must first be registered at the place to access the STEAM materials. If you're already registered at the place, click on the link for STEAM. If you are not registered, watch the video in our materials or in the description below of this video on how to create an account. Once you are in the STEAM materials, on the right-hand side, find the box titled LMS Export Files and Help Guides. Click on the word Canvas. This will begin the download of the IMSCC file created for the Canvas export. When this downloads, it will be in your download folder. You may move it to another folder if you wish, but usually it's easier just to keep it in your downloads folder. Canvas imports this type of IMSS file when creating courses. To import it into your course, find the course you want to import it into in your dashboard. Here you can create new modules or you can add existing content. So we're going to click on Add Existing Content. So here the content type you will choose is Canvas Course Export Package. You're going to choose a file. You can go to our Downloads folder and choose the IMSS file that you just downloaded. If you cannot find it, you can always type IMSCC here in the search bar to find the most recent IMSCC export. So if you click there, you will import all content and hit import. Once the import is complete, you will have a list here of current jobs on the bottom. It is completed. There are 5 issues. These are small issues. If you have larger issues, you may want to talk to your technical support at your school. So now we can go into the course itself and see how everything imported. So again, this is going to look different than how it looks here because STEAM was built in a Moodle shell. This is Canvas, and Canvas just looks a little different. You can compare how things look here, say for example in 1.1, to how they look in your Canvas course. You can easily move things around by clicking on the dots on the side here to reorder things. We hope that you will make the STEAM materials your own, so if you find that you need to reorder something or change the numbering here or that sort of thing, please feel free to do so. The videos import as embedded videos, so those should all work in your course as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We hope you're able to use the STEAM materials in your course and help further our mission of preparing mathematics teachers to teach statistics.